Hello, our regular updates on Friday night, December 13th. A lot of updates this week, and we will start with Google Gemini 2.0. It was just released and it's now available on advanced. So if you have a paid version of Gemini, you will see it. So here's the menu and 1.5 Pro Flash, and now we have 2.0 Flash Experimental. So it's a good model. It's latest. It is faster, maybe about 2 times faster than Pro. It's better. It's specifically designed to work with agents. It has multimodal input and output, text, images, audio, and it can natively use Google tools like search, maps. They give you real-time information. It is great to navigate user interfaces, has improved logical reasoning, and when you're playing the game, it can even give you tips and help you navigate virtual worlds in the game. So amazing new model. OpenAI days continue. This week, 5 days, 5 announcements. First is Sora. This is a text-to-video model. It was first announced in February, and only now it is made available. Lots of people are testing it, posting their results. Very exciting. So it can do up to 20 seconds outputs in various aspect ratios, a remix for scene editing, storyboard for stitching multiple outputs, blend, loop, style presets, the Sora web platform to organize and view generated videos, GPT plus up to 50 videos at this at 440p, or fewer videos at high resolution. And for Pro, you have 10 times more, 500 views. Actually, you have unlimited. It's just that it will do operations slower. High resolution, longer durations. Sora is not available in many European countries due to regulations. So this is a great model. And yeah, if you have Pro, I believe you can download it without watermark. Usually there is a small watermark in the corner. Next, Canvas. OpenAI added Canvas. This is similar to what we already used to see in, let's say, Anthropic Claude. And here, this is the interface, and this is the toolbox. And if you have to use ChatGPT 4.0, for other models, it will not work. But if you select from this menu 4.0, then you will see Canvas here. And then when you ask a question, it will show Canvas to the right. The really good feature is for coding that you can run the code right here, at least for Python. And you can use it for coding, you can use it for writing, and once it wrote something, you can collaborate with the model to make edits. So this is really, really great feature. More updates, ChatGPT in Apple Intelligence, Siri, writing tools, camera control, live conversations. So you can talk to the model live with ChatGPT using 4.0 model, natural conversation pace, emotion, and tone over 50 languages. And for Christmas, you can talk to Santa, ask Santa questions, hear stories, and so on. And the last this week, projects in ChatGPT allows users to organize conversations, upload files, and set custom instructions. So 7 days out of 12. Let's see what will happen next week. 5 more updates. So some of these updates are really, really exciting and new. Others are more like advertising for OpenAI interface. But anyway, it's all great stuff. Next, there was an event at AWS, Amazon reInvent in Las Vegas, and they announced a lot of stuff. So here's a list, starting, of course, from the new foundation models on Bedrock. So there's a new series of models called Nova. and they come in different sizes and different abilities, starting from micro, which is text generation, and then light, pro, premiere, and they also Nova Canvas and for pictures, and Nova Reel for video. I'm not sure that Reel was already released. Anyway, agents for Bedrock, create AI agents, Bedrock integrations with other AWS services. SageMaker Studio notebooks have new features for Gen AI development, easier prompt engineering, model fine-tuning, model evaluation, Jumpstart, pre-built solutions and models for generative AI use cases. SageMaker Canvas, easy to build, deploy AI models. Code Whisperer enhancements, improved code generation, support for more programming languages, identify security vulnerabilities in your code. AI-powered services for healthcare, including tools for medical imaging analysis, drug discovery, clinical trial management. I mean, this is really new, because usually Amazon is associated with giving you servers and databases and IT infrastructure. But now they're giving you actually tools specific for industries, like, for example, for healthcare, or AI solutions for fraud detection, risk management, and personalized finance advice. This is finance, right? AI-powered tools for manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. So many things which these companies usually had to hire some consultants, do projects to make this happen. Now you can just reach, like, take it off the shelf in Amazon. Yeah, this is amazing new development. AWS security AI category to find partners with expertise in securing AI environments, and some new hardware targeted for AI. So a lot about AI. Copilot Arena extension for VS Code. Well, you know the Arena leaderboard, and here at the end we will, as usual, talk about the best models. But what we have here, this is, sorry, where was it? Here. This is Copilot for coding, but it allows you to evaluate multiple models and to vote which one you like more. So Copilot Arena is open source code AI coding assistance that provides paired autocomplete completions from different LLMs, which include state-of-the-art models like GPT-4o, CodeStral, Llama 3, and more. Is free to use. So again, very interesting project. Next development is Trump names David Sachs as AI encryptor. Well, people say Tsar. Actually, officially, it's a policy chief, right? What's interesting about him is that, as Elon Musk, he's also from South America. He's an entrepreneur. He's author. He's a former PayPal COO. He's an investor. He's a general partner in Craft Ventures, a venture capital fund. And now he is the chief for AI, and Elon Musk is his friend. So I guess Sam Altman now will have a big problem, because before, Sam Altman was successful in securing good relationship and getting governmental support. But now, well, given his bad relationship with Elon Musk, who knows? This is a great video which talks about this. Okay, IOI, International Olympiad in Informatics. O1 IOI is a specialized version of OpenAI's O1 model, and you can see the results for O1. So I was just very interested in this. So this is GPT-4o, and this is a competitive scale for solving mathematical problems in competitions. So this is GPT-4o. It is below average. Average is 1000. O1 preview is better. O1, like regular O1, is much better. And then O1 specifically trained for competitions, it's even better. And this is like really, really great results. So models now are better than people in math competitions. Okay, more updates. Deepmind GraphCast. It's a model for fast and accurate global weather forecasting. 10-day weather predictions in under 1 minute. Great. MinerU, tool to convert PDFs into machine-readable formats like markdown or JSON. May be very useful, and it's on GitHub, it's open source. Google Gemini experimental release. There are 2 releases, end of November and beginning of December. They rank at the top, and they have 2 million context window, and they're really good at coding. We'll see that Gemini models are close to the top. ClearerVoice-Studio, open source, AI-powered speech processing toolkit. Speech enhancements, speech generation, target speaker extraction. So this is the link. More updates. Grok is now free for all X users. Remember, it was only available for paying users of X, of Twitter, but now everybody has access to it. Next, some more projects. Deepmind project Astra allows AI to interact with the real world through your camera, providing information and assistance based on what it sees. So it's basically glasses which you use, and they use AI, similar to what Meta, but this is coming from Google, from Deepmind. Deepmind project MinerU, still in the research stage, enables agents to control a web browser and do tasks online. When it will be released, it will be extremely useful. And it's basically an extension for Chrome browser. Devin AI coding assistant from Cognition finally is released. You can get it, but the price tag is $500 per month. It is good. You know, there are so many code assistants, but this one, of course, is good. Like, I don't know if it's the best or not when you compare it to Cursor and others, but very expensive. Grok image generation, high quality images of people, including celebrities and projects. So here's the link. Google Android XR. Oh no, hold on. This is the headset and glasses. Create immersive augmented realities. No. Okay, this is different. This is you put on glasses and they look around, they see what you see and help you in real world. This is augmented reality experiences, like you're playing the game, right? Uses Gemini AI model. First device to launch with Android XR will be the headset in collaboration with Samsung. Headset can be used in both entertainment and productivity. Okay. Next is a new model from Meta, Llama 3.3 70B. So 70B, but it's comparable in its performance to 405B model, Llama 3.1. So the model became much smaller while getting more accuracy, more performance. So it's, as usual, from Meta, open source. It's multilingual, and it's available on Ollama. So this is Ollama, and now I want to talk about Ollama. So there is a new version of Ollama 0.5, which now supports structured outputs. What it means is that it's specifically designed to return, for example, JSON response as JSON. So here is an example on how to do it. But in order to use this functionality and this API, you need to update Ollama on your computer. And yeah, and update, let's say, Python or JavaScript modules which you use. Next is generating podcasts. So this is the team of people who actually created Notebook LM at Google, and they left. And they are now working on, I don't know, something else, some new startup. I don't know what it is. Here their pictures, their names, and their LinkedIn profiles. But about generating podcasts, I was just curious if you can do it yourself, or I can do it yourself. Yes, it's actually very, very possible. So first of all, text to audio. There are multiple libraries exist which you can use to create audio from text. So here, for example, text. Some text I want to convert to speech, and then you say TTS equal from this text in English, and then you save the result as MP3 file. That's it. That's all that requires to use Google text-to-speech, which is high quality. Yeah, this is amazing how simple it is. Here's another model, another library. It's open source on GitHub. They both are on GitHub. PyTTS, which is text-to-speech X3, works offline, cross-platform, different voices, and so on. Speech T5, it's on Hugging Face using Transformer, and so on. Or OpenAI text-to-speech. And again, you see the code, you see how easy it is to generate audio from text. Next is how you create a dialogue. Like, for example, two people, man and woman, discussing something. Well, first you come up with the script, which looks like this: man and what he says, woman and what she says, and so on. Then you convert each of these pieces into corresponding audio file using the previously discussed technologies. Then you concatenate them with one command, and here you have it, MP3 of the conversation. So here is an example where we do exactly that. If speaker equal man, then create this clip. If woman, then create this clip. Then we concatenate auto clips together and save them as one MP3. So you see how easy it is. Next, suppose you now want to create the podcast as a video, and you want to synchronize some slides, some images with the voices. So here, how you can take your audio and split it, find timestamps where it changes from one speaker to another. And there are, well, of course, if you were doing it yourself here, you can already generate it here. But here, let's say you have podcast recording, all you have is MP3 file. So what this code does, it analyzes it and it splits it and gives you timestamps. Okay, next, how you convert your audio, and maybe you have some images, some slides, into actual video so you can post it on YouTube. And here is an example. You can do it with MoviePy or FFmpeg. So here, for example, you have audio MP3. Here you have images, and for each image you set duration in seconds, and then you concatenate video clips from these images in given durations. Then you set audio, and then you export it into video MP4 file. That's it, you're done. And similar with FFmpeg. So this is how you generate videos. Now there are a lot of new videos which are synthetic on YouTube, and you see that it's not difficult to do. PydanticAI. Pydantic is a very famous module. It is used to confirm the structure of your Python objects. And suppose you using AI and you return JSON from AI, and you want to confirm that this JSON has the right structure. So you can use Pydantic for that. And they added some syntactic sugar, and it's called PydanticAI. Nothing really new, just very nice. 5 AI prompts to create content. I sometimes talk about people I follow. So Peter Young is very talented, and he created the short video. AI saves me 10 plus hours every week, and he in this video describes how to do it. Extract insights from long podcasts, YouTube videos, and articles. Turn raw transcripts into polished articles. Craft headlines, create viral posts, edit newsletter articles, and so on. Very useful for me, definitely very useful. Next is coming from Goldman Sachs, analysis of how AI can help. So their conclusion is that approximately on this level in the middle, so it's approximately 25% of current work tasks could be already automated by AI in the US and Europe across different industries. So here you see like office and administrative support or life, physical, social, something management, different industries, different tasks. So about 25% already can be outsourced. So it's just a matter of time this will happen. Education in US and other countries. Education in US used to be ranked high, very high, but nowadays it is somewhere on the 20th place. And it started going down after in US we had Department of Education. It was created in 1979. So now it's about 44, 45 years since creation. It's a huge department. Its budget is about like 238 billion per year, but all it did, it made education much worse. So the top countries in education are South Korea, Denmark, and Netherlands. And the second group after that is Belgium, Slovenia, Japan, Germany, Finland, Norway, and Ireland. You see, USA is not included in the top countries. Like here, this PISA, the Program for International Student Assessment, 2022, US ranked 28th in math and 12th in science, among other good countries. Next, crowdsourced arena leaderboard. Well, it looks approximately the same, but look that in both English queries and in coding, Gemini takes the first place. And this is not Gemini 2, this is still Gemini 1.5 Pro, I guess. And then we have OpenAI, Gemini, OpenAI, China, Gemini again, Grok, and only after that we have Llama. The green ones means open source models. Blue is Claude. I love Claude. I use it for coding. And you see for coding, it's like three different things. It's 3.5 Sonnet, again 3.5 Sonnet. What's the difference between them? Different issues and Haiku. Anyway, this is about tech layoffs. Nothing changed from last week. So this is from 2020, and we see that there was a lot of layoffs last year, but this year it goes down. That's it. This is me as usual, and thank you.